Welcome to Pepcoding. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see an interesting topic of linked list to queue adapter. Okay, first I will explain how we are going to do this, what we are going to do in this. Okay, the topic is linked list to queue. Okay, okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be our linked list. Okay, then our queue will be like this will be our queue. It is the structure of linked list and the queue adapter. Queue, fine. Okay, in linked list, if we want to add the element, we can add first, add last, right? At the same, if you want to remove the elements, then we can use remove first, remove last. If we need to get any elements, then we can use get last, get first. This all the functions are available in the add last, right? Sorry, this all the functions are available in the linked list, that we know that. But if we want to remove the element in the queue, then we have to use remove first, add last, right? Otherwise, we can use add first, remove last. These two functions are only available in the queue. So we are going to change the link adapter to the stack. Sorry, we are going to change the link list to the queue adapter. Okay, link list to the queue adapter. It is pretty easy, nothing more than that. We can directly go to the solution part. Okay, for knowing the size, we know that we are going to return self dot dot size. Just I'm going to call that function. Fine. Then for adding the elements in the queue, we are using add of function, right? In the add of function, we can only do it by the add last, right? So self dot list dot add last. Sorry, add last. Add last of what value? Add last of value, right? Then for removing, it should be add first, right? So first we will check the base condition. If self dot size double equal to 0, then print queue underflow. Queue underflow return -1. Okay. Then in the else part, we are going to first get an input, that is val is equal to self dot list dot get first of. Then we are going to remove the element, right? So self dot remove should be the remove operation should be takes place at the front, that is first element. So the self dot list dot remove first of. Okay, then return val. That's it. Okay, peak. What is peak? In stack, the topmost element we have called top. In the linked list, we can say this is head, right? Okay, at the same time, in the queue, we are using the word peak. Okay, so this is nothing but we are going to get the first element, that is head value. It is same. In the remove also we need to find the first element and we are going to remove that element. So the same is repeating for P. Just we have just what we have to do is we no need to remove that element value. We are just going to return that value, the peak value. Okay. Okay, return. That's it. Let me run this code. Yeah, it is accepted. I'm trying to submit this. Yes, it is correct answer. We got correct answer. It is a very easiest question. I hope you all are understood the question. If you understand this video, stay subscribed to Pepcoding. Thank you. Have a great day.